Namaste children, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing good. Today in this session we are going to discuss about absolute value of a rational number, and also we are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 4. Children, in class 6 we have already learnt about the absolute value of an integer. Here if I take minus 3 and put the modulus sign, here we read it as absolute value of minus 3, which is equal to 3. What we have done here? We have taken only the numerical value, that is 3, without considering the sign, which is a negative. So if there is a negative sign, we should not consider negative sign. We have to write only the numerical value. Here you can observe children, absolute value of 3, where 3 has got positive sign, so we will write only 3. Absolute value of 0 is 0. Same with the case of rational numbers. Here is a rational number 3 by 5. The absolute value of 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Because it has got only positive sign, we write 3 by 5 as it is. Here in the second case children, the absolute value of minus 3 by 5, we have to consider only the numerical value, that is 3 by 5, without taking account of negative sign. The absolute value of 3 by minus 5 is also 3 by 5. We have to neglect the negative sign. Children, absolute value of minus 3 by minus 5 is also 3 by 5. We have to consider only the numerical value without taking the negative sign. Then you have to note that absolute value of every rational number other than 0 is always positive. Here some examples we have seen that the absolute value of all the rational numbers which are having negative sign as well as positive sign, the answer what we get is in the positive. We have the absolute value of 0 is 0 itself. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Then next point is absolute value of a rational number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Here in the previous example children, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. The absolute value of 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. Whereas the absolute value of minus 3 by 5 is 3 by 5 here. So the minus 3 by 5 is less than 3 by 5. After taking the absolute value, you get only the positive sign, which is greater than minus 3 by 5. Children, we should also know that 3 by minus 5 and minus 3 by 5 are equal. So what we have done here, we have multiplied in the denominator minus 1. So we have to multiply the same number in the numerator. Plus into minus is minus, and 3 ones are 3. Minus into minus is plus, 5 ones are 5. So P by Q or P by minus Q is equal to minus P by Q. We can simply take the negative sign to the numerator because already we know the property. Children, with this introduction, we shall go to worksheet number 4. Children, let us start with the worksheet number 4. First question, find the absolute value of the following rational number. First one is 1 by minus 5. To find the absolute value, what do we do children? We put two vertical lines. So this is the absolute value of 1 by minus 5. To write the absolute value of 1 by minus 5, we have to consider only the numerical value. We should not consider the negative sign. Then we have 7 by 9. The modulus of 7 by 9 is equal to, or the absolute value of 7 by 9 is 7 by 9 itself. The absolute value of 0 by minus 4, which is equal to 0 by any number is 0 children. Therefore, the absolute value of 0 is 0. And the last one, absolute value of minus 3 by minus 2, which is 3 by 2. We have to consider only the numerical value without considering the negative sign. Children, next we have question number 2, that is compare the absolute values of the rational number in the following pairs. The first pair is 3 by minus 7 and minus 3 by 7. First we need to find out the absolute value of these two rational numbers, children. Then we have to compare. First we consider 3 by minus 7. The absolute value of 3 by minus 7 is 3 by 7, and the absolute value of minus 3 by 7 is also 3 by 7. Children, here we come to know that 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. Therefore, we can write that modulus of or absolute value of 3 by minus 7 is equal to absolute value of minus 3 by 7. So the next is minus 5 by 7 and 4 by 3. Here the absolute value of minus 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. Absolute value of 4 by 3 is again 4 by 3. So let us compare first the answer which we have got, that is 5 by 7 and 4 by 3. Here how do we compare, children? We compare the rational numbers by cross multiplication. We get, first we have to take 5 into 3 and 7 into 4. 5 3s are 15, 7 4s are 28. Which is greater, children? 28 is greater. Therefore, we put the greater symbol to 28. In this way, we can say that 5 by 7 is less than 4 by 3. In the same way, the modulus of minus 5 by 7 is less than the modulus of 4 by 3. Children, the next set of rational number are minus 4 by 5 and minus 3. The absolute value of minus 4 by 5 is 4 by 5, and the absolute value of minus 3 is nothing but minus 3 by 1. It is again 3, children, or 3 by 1. Now we have to compare the rational numbers 4 by 5 and 3 by 1. How do we compare, children? Again by cross multiplication. So first we write 4 into 1 and 5 into 3. 4 1s are 4, 5 3s are 15. We have got 15 is greater here. Therefore, what do we write, children? Modulus of minus 4 by 5 is less than modulus of minus 3. Children, in this session we have completed worksheet number 4 under the topic absolute value of a rational number. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children. Children, here are some rational numbers on the number line. You have to remember that the rational numbers right of 0 are positive rational numbers, and the rational numbers to the left of 0 are negative rational numbers. And also, as we move to the right side of the number line, the value of the rational numbers increases. That means here you can observe, here is the rational number 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Which is greater, children? 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. In the same way, if we go to the left side of the number line, the value of the rational number decreases. Children, next we have question number 3. Find all the rational numbers whose absolute value is 2 by 5. Children, we have to consider all the 4 cases, since we know the absolute value in all the 4 cases is 2 by 5. Here the first case is the absolute value of 2 by 5, where 2 by 5 is positive. Again we write it as 2 by 5. The absolute value of minus 2 by 5 is 2 by 5. We have to consider only the numerical value without consider into negative sign. Then absolute value of 2 by minus 5 is again 2 by 5. Minus 2 by minus 5 is also 2 by 5. So these are all the 4 cases. Children, therefore, the rational numbers whose absolute value is 2 by 5 are 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 2 by minus 5 and minus 2 by minus 5. Here you can observe that 2 by 5 and minus 2 by minus 5 are equal. Therefore, I take only 2 by 5, and these two rational numbers, children, minus 2 by minus 5 and 2 by minus 5 are also equal. Therefore, I take minus 2 by 5. These are the two rational numbers whose absolute value is 2 by 5. Children, here the question is 0. We have to find the rational numbers whose absolute value is 0. We know the absolute value of 0 is 0 itself, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Children, then the last question is 3 by 4. Here, in all the 4 cases, we get the absolute value as 3 by 4, because we have, in absolute value, we have to consider only the numerical value without taking the sign into account. Children, in this session, we have completed worksheet number 4 under the topic absolute value of a rational number. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.